Here's how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. If you're seeing unwanted you may like accounts or search suggestions, start by tapping the refresh button next to the you may like section. This will load a new set of recommendations. If the suggestions don't change, go to your profile, tap the menu icon, then open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Activity Center and tap Search History. Tap Select, choose Select All History, then tap Delete All to clear your recent searches. Next, return to Settings and Privacy and open Notifications. Scroll down and turn off the options related to personalized post suggestions to reduce recommendation-based notifications. If you're still seeing the same suggestions, select Help Us Improve. Choose the option that says Suggested searches are not interesting or are not personalized. Select the suggestions or accounts you don't want to see and submit your feedback. After that, force close the TikTok app and reopen it. If the suggestions still haven't changed, try logging out of your account and signing back in. TikTok should refresh your recommendations based on your updated preferences. That's all for this video. Thanks.